Want to capture crystal clear audio straight from your computer, whether it's game soundtracks, online meetings, or your own voiceovers? Then let's dive into Audacity, the free and powerful audio recording software, and learn how to record anything playing on your computer in just a few easy steps. First, launch Audacity. Look for the device toolbar near the top of the screen. This is where you'll select your audio sources. Click the first drop-down menu, the one that likely says MME or something similar, and choose Windows Wasapi. This is crucial for internal audio recording on Windows. Next, in the second drop-down, select your recording device if you want to record system sounds. Choose the loopback option associated with your sound card. It might be labeled speakers loopback, stereo mix, or something similar, depending on your system. If you want to record your microphone, choose your microphone from the drop-down. Confirm that the third drop-down menu is set to stereo or mono, depending on your audio source. Most music and game audio is stereo. Voice recording is generally mono. Now, hit the red record button. Start playing the audio you want to capture, whether it's from a game, a website, or another application. You should see the waveform start to build in Audacity as the audio is recorded. When you're finished recording, press the yellow stop button. You can now edit your audio in Audacity, cut out unwanted sections, adjust the volume, and apply effects. When you're happy with your recording, go to File, then Export, and choose your desired audio format, like MP3 or WAV. Give your file a name and save it. That's it. You've successfully recorded audio from your computer using Audacity. Now go create something amazing.